Welcome to the Ultimate Car Quiz. 15 classics, no logos, no hints, just metal, memory, and instinct. Can you name them all? Let's find out. What car is this? 1961 Cadillac Coupe DeVille. 1963 Oldsmobile 98. 1958 Plymouth Fury. 1955 Buick Century. 1961 Cadillac Coupe DeVille. Which model is this? 1975 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray. 1956 Chrysler Windsor. 1958 Pontiac Bonneville. 1954 Mercedes-Benz 300 SL. 1975 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray. Identify this car. 1966 Ford Galaxy 500. 1957 Chevrolet Corvette. 1955 BMW 507. 1958 Cadillac Eldorado. 1957 Chevrolet Corvette. Enjoying the challenge? Show some support. Like the video and subscribe for more gearhead fun. What model is shown? 1934 Chrysler Airflow. 1955 Buick Roadmaster. 1959 Oldsmobile 98. 1956 Panhard Dyna Z. 1934 Chrysler Airflow. Name this vehicle. 1977 Chevrolet Blazer K5. 1957 Chrysler Imperial Crown. 1959 Cadillac Eldorado. 1958 Lincoln Continental Mark III. 1958 Lincoln Continental Mark III. Which car is this? 1929 Ford Model A. 1950 Hudson Commodore. 1953 Nash Rambler. 1952 Chevrolet Styleline Deluxe. 1929 Ford Model A. Enjoying the challenge? Show some support. Like the video and subscribe for more gearhead fun. Guess this car. 1955 Chevrolet Bel Air. 1955 Ford Thunderbird. 1956 Chevrolet Corvette. 1954 Buick Skylark. 1955 Chevrolet Bel Air. What's this car? 1974 AMC Gremlin. 1957 Ford Thunderbird. 1955 Ford F-100. 1957 GMC 100. 1957 Ford Thunderbird. Which one is shown? 1966 Honda N360. 1958 Dodge D100. 1952 Jaguar XK 120. 1954 Aston Martin DB 2/4. 1952 Jaguar XK 120. Enjoying the challenge? Show some support. Like the video and subscribe for more gearhead fun. Recognize this model. 1965 Dodge Polara. 1951 Pontiac Chieftain. 1950 Oldsmobile 88. 1950 Buick Roadmaster. 1965 Dodge Polara. What vehicle is this? 1956 Ford Thunderbird. 1952 Ford Crestline. 1954 Studebaker as 120. 1953 Buick Skylark. 1956 Ford Thunderbird. Name this car. 1941 Packard Clipper. 1956 Ford Anglia 100E. 1959 Morris Minor 1000. 1954 Cadillac Eldorado. 1956 Ford Anglia 100E. Guess the vehicle. 1955 Buick Special. 1954 Ford Crestline. 1952 Oldsmobile 88. 1951 Nash Ambassador. 1955 Buick Special. Identify this one. 1914 Renault, Type EFE. 1954 Plymouth Savoy. 1953 Nash Healey. 1957 BMW 506. 1954 Plymouth Savoy. Which car is this? 1975 Ford Maverick. 1956 Studebaker Golden Hawk. 1958 Dodge Royal. 1958 Edsel Corsair. 1975 Ford Maverick. Thanks a lot for watching. We hope you enjoyed this classic car quiz. Let us know in the comments how many you guessed right. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more vintage rides.